Hello guys, welcome back to Wizard. In today's video, I will show you how to use the Google Translator on your Android. So the first step is to come and open your Chrome browser. So when you open your Chrome browser, very quick, what you're going to do is simple. Just come and open a new tab. So I'll take this back home. Okay, so you come and open a new tab. So I'm at the home page. So when you open a new tab, just come to the search bar here. And let me assume I want to translate from English to Chinese. So just come and type in English to Chinese. So you have to look for Chinese. Okay. You can see it's over here, English to Chinese, Google Translate. So you tap on that. As you can see, it's now on. So what you're going to do is simple. Come and put in your English text. So my English text is simple. I'll say hello guys, how are you? Okay, so this is my English text, and after that you can see Google has automatically translated for me in Chinese. And you can even prompt Google to read for you this by tapping on this little sound icon here. Let me tap on it. Alright, that's a bit funny, but that's how the Google Translator works. I'll tap on it one more time. For those who know Chinese, you can prove that this is right. Let me tap on it and see. Alright, so that's it guys. Thanks for watching. Please ensure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We shall meet